Hey guys, it's Charity. Just a reminder of where I intern. It's an initiative that is focusing on prevention within a certain area of Hagerstown, Maryland. It focuses on school, providing some training for the schools, the teachers on how to deal with some of the children and their behaviors in the school, mentoring for those children. We just started an after-school program, which I help in the afternoons. That is giving them extra education, extra time that they don't have to be at home by themselves, wandering the streets and getting into trouble, or being victims of gang violence, drug sales, or some human trafficking, which are all pretty prominent in this area, unfortunately. They also work in the communities. We're encouraging the community people to work alongside the local government, businesses, to find ways to improve their community and make it a safer area for themselves and their children. And there's also the family support work, where they work individually with the families to help them provide resources that they may need and help them navigate some of the resources and things that they may struggle to follow up with. I have really enjoyed working at this initiative, learning the difference between having your client being independent and interdependent. That seemed very weird to me at first, because I always thought that the goal was to have your clients to be independent where they can take care of themselves, but the word interdependent makes more sense to me now, meaning that the clients feel comfortable to reach out to get help in the community and not feel like they're going to be shamed, guilt, judged by the resources in the community, that it's okay, kind of taking that stigma away from them reaching out and asking for help. So I really have loved learning that part about the program, and the amazing I learn so much every day. Everyone has their own individual talents. There's constantly something going on. There's constantly there's a monthly community coffee that they have, a parent council that sponsors that. So there's parents in the community that will come in, and everyone's welcome to come and have coffee and mingle with each other and getting to know the programs that they offer. There is the parent cafes that are being held. We have a program for Spanish-speaking families that they can meet once a week to kind of make them feel welcome, and to work in their community to make new families in the community feel welcome, so they don't feel like they're not getting that advocacy, and that it's okay for them to reach out and ask for help. We have a thing called the walking school bus, where there's ambassadors within the community that walk a group of kids to school every day, so that they're not walking to school by themselves. And that's like a part of a prevention, to kind of keep them safe, keep them away from things that they shouldn't be exposed to. So I really like that idea. They're always Family Day, there's always something going on. So, I mean, when there's times that I do feel like it's slow and I'm not getting a lot, I'm really learning so much. April and May have been exhaustive with trainings. We held a unconditional care training, brought in some really great people to talk to us about self-care, that secondary trauma. We had we got to go to DC for the big conference for child abuse, and that was really amazing. We're wrapping up tomorrow a 5-day intensive training on Recovery Coach, and I have a feeling that that's something that they're going to be bringing to this area pretty soon. I could see the wheels in our director's head turning and how she's going to be able to get that to come about. But there's been amazing, I feel like I've learned that there's more available out there for me to do than what I had originally thought I was going to do. Meaning that, you know, my main goal had always been to be a therapist and individually work with people, but this initiative is something that's really powerful, and I'm really just feel really lucky to be able to be there, and I'm really hoping, honestly, that eventually that is a place that I could call home, because I feel like it is the right fit for me. It is a great fit, and I would always love to be a part of something that is actually providing prevention and not, you know, unfortunately putting a band-aid on it. I would love to be on the side of preventing things from happening, so that there is a really bright future for all those amazing children in the community. Okay, look forward to working with you guys. Bye.